right, everybody. Got a little rocket ship to test drive today. 1972 Corvette, the 454. But this one's been performance built and upgraded. It's got aluminum heads and a whole bunch of aftermarket parts on it. It's supposed to be pushing 500 horsepower, 10-to-1 compression ratio. I had a chance to loop it around the block, and honestly, I was surprised. Amazing performer, and yeah, we're gonna see here in a minute. But so that's the numbers matching block on there on that 454. It also has the Muncie M22 rock crusher transmission, and then it has the correct rear end with 355 gearing as well. Four-wheel disc brakes. Stop very nicely. Now this car is like highly detailed top to bottom. All the components are new underneath the hood, and underneath is pretty much the same. Everything's been gone through. Suspension, brakes, and it's just gorgeous. Underside's gleaming, engine compartment's gleaming. Starts easily and runs really good. Now let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to just over highway speeds with absolutely no problem. Yeah, it's quick, guys. I wish we had one of those things that can track the times on here as far as like 0 to 60 or something like that. I mean, this car is built to the hilt. Absolutely. You know, our shop did go ahead and take a look at it. It was in very good condition. They made some minor adjustments, minor tweaks. If you need all the details of that, you can go on our website to get all the specifics. But yeah, power windows on this one too. You can see they are working well. All the gauges appear to be working. Oil pressure is very good in it. Battery showing a charge. Water temp has stayed very consistent. Tag, everything about it. Got real leather interior here. Feels great. Of course, that classic Corvette handling that they're so well known for. Just a great experience. You can come down, test drive it yourself if you'd like to. We are totally transparent. Come down, touch and feel it, spend as much time with the car as you would like. Contact our sales department first. Eric or Joey will be more than happy to help you do that. Fantastic car. Someone's absolutely gonna love this one. She's a